Hi everyone! Welcome to my short little video on how to prepare a short little video. Today I'd like to show you how to film yourself in front of a green screen, extract the green background, and then superimpose yourself on any instructional material you wish to share with your online students. So the first thing I need is a piece of green fabric that I can stretch tight across a wall. My fabric here I've purchased at Walmart for $2. What I've used to stretch it or affix it to the wall is this Loctite sticky stuff. Also, I think $2 or $3 at Walmart. Once I have that figured out, my next step is to decide what I want to say to students, what my lesson is going to be about, and turn on my webcam. I deliver the spiel that I'm trying to share in whatever vocal tone and modulation that I think is appropriate for what I'm doing at the time. And then I'm ready to click stop and do a little bit of editing. I hope you can see the green screen behind me as I leave it in this clip. Okay, well, the next thing I want to do is extract the green background. I've opened up to my video editing software, and by the way, I'm using Camtasia, a relatively inexpensive software package. I'm going to click on Visual Properties, and I'm going to make sure the clip I want to edit is selected. Well, the thing I'm interested in doing is removing a color, so I'm clicking on that. You'll notice a drop-down menu shows up, and I'm now going to select the color I want to take out of the clip. I'll do so by choosing the eyedropper and coming over here to the edit portion of my screen, clicking on the color I want extracted. The green's gone, but notice I have a little bit of a halo around my head. I'm going to try to remove that by sliding this tolerance bar just a bit. It's not all gone, but most of it's gone, and you can see how easily that effect was achieved. The next thing I want to do is import some media to put behind the clip that I've just extracted the background from. So I'm coming over to here to import media, and I'm going to select some images that I've saved on my desktop. I've been working with the book, The Immortal Life of Henrietta Lacks, so I think I'll pull in some images from that particular book. I could select multiple images by holding down the Control key as I do my selecting. And then I'll just click Open to import those into the media panel. Here they are. I've gotten more than I wanted. I didn't want this ECC logo, so I'm just going to delete it. But these others that I have pulled in, as I want to put those behind myself, I'm going to pull those down to tray 1 in my video. Move it over just a little bit, get my next clip, pull it in. I can extend that to make it stay on the screen longer, or I can shorten it if I don't want it on there very long. All right, I now have the images that I want behind my video recording, and I can hit play or see how that looks. You can see up here how it's going to look for the time being. And if I like that, great. If I want to move myself around, select that clip, shift myself down to the bottom or over at the side or wherever I think I need to be in relation to the clip that I'm showing. I can also make the clip that I'm showing a little larger, depending on what I have in mind for the aesthetic properties of the film. Okay, so voila! I've now recorded myself, extracted the background, and I've chosen some clips to put behind myself. You could do the same thing with your short little video just by following these few steps that I've shown you today. The next step I'll use is to upload this video clip to a private account in YouTube. It's free and it allows me to save space on East Central College's servers rather than uploading the clip directly into Moodle. Thanks, everybody. Hope you enjoy your workshop. Bye-bye.